we first go to the desired folder, that is so we navigate to desktop, ULK release 2.0, ULK host, SDK sources, low level lib, ULK LED code, and the test tab. And here we build locally, so write the command make. As you can see, the build is successful, there is no error. Now we go to root folder, which is ULK low level lib. There's another make file here, so we make at the root level. This is going to build all the interfaces available, all the API source files. So as you browse up, as you scroll up, you can see ULK LED, and there's no error, so it is built correctly. Similarly, all other APIs are also built here, and this results in generation of ulklib.a file. That is libulk.a file. This is the modified one. So if you happen to go here and see the properties, this is modified just now. So the third step is to copy the newly modified library file, that is libulk.a, and the modified header file to their respective places. So I'm going to copy now the libulk into user lib and sync it. Similarly, I need to copy the header file. So first I go to the ULK include directory, which has all the files, as you can see here. We have the ULK LEDH, which is the recently modified one, and I'm going to copy the lib ulk led.h into user include ulk folder. Again sync it. With this, now you are ready with the new or modified API library to be used in your sample application. So let us see how this can be used. So we go back to our application, and instead of this for loop, we are going to use the newly added function, which is ulk_led. As you can see here, this function is already described here, ulk_led all on. So I say make it 1, that is all on, and similar way I can replace this for loop with the new functions. So once all the LEDs are switched on, we are going to wait for say 5 seconds, and then we are going to switch off all the LEDs. Again wait for say 3 seconds before we display the message that all the LEDs are off. So save it again, lit, go to the ULK control panel, load, okay, and then what we are going to do is we are going to run the execute. Okay, as you can see, all the LEDs are on. The message is all the LEDs are on, noise off, and the application is terminated 3 seconds. So this concludes the demonstration of how to modify the API libraries and how to use them in building new applications. Thank you.
Offers the provision of modifying the API functions to meet application needs. The API binaries and corresponding header files resides in predefined folder structure. The API modification process is comprised of 4 steps. First, modification of the source code, that is implementing the functions in C files and defining them in corresponding header files. Second, building the binary version of the library locally and at the root folder level. Third, replacing the main API binary with the modified one. And lastly, placing the modified header files. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For further information, please visit us at mission10x.com.